Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bang. Them a go down, bang. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I said that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I said that we
We gonna run this town.
I tell you tonight, I got here just before you, and I'm reporting to you that when Friday the 22nd is finished and the voting is over in Morant you are going to you will have one more parish council seat in the Jamaica Labour Party column.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me.
Andrew Holden says Jamaica Labour Party has a problem. 9 months going into a general election. Coming out of February and tonight, they have not been able to energize, to bring up the base of the Labour Party support. We saw it in February, and we're seeing it tonight. And we heard today in that voice note that was leaked by the Council for the Raytown Division, Rosalie Hamilton, Labourites are not happy with the government.
And if I could just say, Cliff,
we want you to work like never before on behalf of the people of the Alien Town Division. Hold on. To every comrade, if you bought a bottle of water, if you bought some gas to come here, if you spoke to somebody, if you went to lift up somebody today or to bring somebody come out to vote, and to my Molyneux cluster manager, Comrade Jessica, you know me miserable, but we got the job done. I really want to say thank you to the hard-working comrades of the People's National Party. This morning, Comrade Zay, well, you may call him Comrade, might as well. Xavier Main said to me this morning that Alien Town is going to decide the general election. Well.
what can go so?
Yeah. Respect. First of all, I want to say thank you all for the effort the work and the commitment that you showed to the People's National Party. You don't know what you have done for this party tonight, because every comrade throughout Jamaica is now engaged, energized and excited. I believe that St. Thomas, Moran Bay and Clarendon, Anan Town has just won the next election for the People's National Party. And can you imagine how depressed the JLP will be at their conference on Sunday? I hear. Check. I hear that they plan to cancel it. And if they don't cancel it, they're inviting me and Mark Walden as the guest speaker. Totally fair. But I also heard that the man that them call Dr. Chopper send down 14 of the 28 bank accounts today, and we still win. What can go? They had 49 MPs down here, and we had 14. They had more MPs. They had 13 senators, and we had 8. They had more senators. They had billions of dollars, and we had thousands. They had more money. But one thing we prove is that we have more people in I want to big up Comrade Dawson, because you can't say he didn't work for this one. He really put in the effort, and he has promised that he will put in the work. So when I wave at time, we need no talking, no skylarking, no ramping. I want to thank Wavy Lines, my personal chauffeur. Wavell pick me up every single time that I'm coming to Anan and carry me home back safe. And Wavell worked. You deserve a kudos.
What you labor right?
Love them same way. I want to thank all the external people, but mostly I want to thank as well. I want to thank the leader of the party for his efforts, but I want to give a round of applause to the General Secretary, who was a real general in this election. Once the PNP come together, once the PNP decides they were serious, cause them not bright like we, them not sensible like we, and them not, hey, careful. Comrades, I thank you for this wonderful night, and I look forward to the continued victory for the People's National Party. One love and power to the people.
Comrades, the Rastaman, Senator Damien Crawford, and every citizen of the Anan Town Division. Give me a applause again. But comrades, I bring to you now a young man that I know you know very well, from the neighboring constituency of Northwest St. Anne, the General Secretary, the campaign manager in Anan Town. I say welcome, Dr. Nathan Campbell. Hold it. Comrades all, I really, this evening, I'm in a grateful mood. And normally, I give a very fiery presentation and those other things. But I tell you the truth, I'm emotional tonight. I'm emotional because this meant so much to us. And the effort that was given by the comrades of the division, of the constituency, and of the country. My heart is full. And I want to say thank you to each and every comrade that came out to ensure that we won this division tonight. I want to give special commendations to Comrade Leader Mark Golding and Comrade Crawford, because when we designed the program and we said every day, one of you in Alien Town, one in Morant Bay. The next day you in Alien Town and the other one go to Morant Bay. They put in a full shift going house to house across hills and valleys. Comrade Hines, you know you have my support anyway because you're my brother. But I really want to commend Comrade Hines for the way in which he attacked this thing and invested his time and resources. Invested his time and resources to ensure that we could deliver this victory. Big up to you, Wavell. And I want to say thanks as well. I know when you say thanks, you can't say thanks to everybody. But I want to say thanks as well to Comrade Horace Daly, who come out and was fully involved in the campaign. I was fully on the ground and moving around, and today he was a champion for this noble movement. There is a team that was working in the constituency. Comrade Richard Sadai, Comrade Wentworth Skeffrey, and Comrade Akeem and others doing the part of the politics that people don't necessarily see or like. But they were in the engine room running the show. And I want to say big up to those comrades and the other comrades from the constituency led by Comrade Kincaid that managed the internal affairs of the campaign. The other comrades. When I called and I said,
re-elected to the House. Ms. Dalrymple, the question about the Integrity Commission, the recommendation that you be charged, how do you plan to treat that, now that you're re-elected to the House?
I'm treating it as I did before, as someone who is an attorney and someone who has strong views about my own integrity. I have taken the move very seriously, and that is why I resigned in the first place. I had there was no need for me to resign. There's nothing that said I had to resign. But I felt in myself that I ought to have done so. I have placed myself in the hands of the courts, and I have the greatest respect for our court system in this island, and we have completed our submissions before the court, and I wait the court's decision. And I'm very comfortable with myself. I re-entered the political arena, having placed myself there for over a year and 2 months. I'm a committed labourite. The people in South Carolina and myself have bonded. We have a relationship that surpasses representational politics. We're a family, a true family. We get along today, we have differences, but we always circle each other when it becomes necessary. And I felt it was the time and it was necessary for me to move back into the seat, to assist the people who have been good and loyal to me and serve my party as a committed laborer. And I'm always going to do that, regardless of what happens.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure that my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two uncaring, man. make sure say my mark the ex right so, cause I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex yeah? For the teacher them wanna get them pay. You see that ex yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench cause they never have no bed. You see that ex yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah man, see that ex yeah? I feel the big salary what the politician them a give themselves and I can't get little salary to the people them. That extra right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay if you go a foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that extra, this is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that extra? And the arrogance. And the dictatorship where them a try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect where they want to come get Jamaican. I make sure I say me mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.